Ever opened a TikTok in a quiet room or public place only to be blasted by loud audio from a random video? Annoying, right? What if you could automatically mute TikTok every time you launch it on your Android phone? In this video, I'll show you a few simple ways to keep TikTok quiet on launch so you're never caught off guard again. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Then tap on the profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the menu bar. Go to Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap on Playback. From here, toggle on the Open TikTok on mute. From now on, videos will be muted by default when you open TikTok. To unmute your video again, tap on the Unmute button right here. And that's how you auto-mute TikTok on Android. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching. See you next time.